Hello students, a very fresh and beautiful morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are in good health and taking great care of yourself. Welcome back to our English grammar class. As you know students that we have started chapter number 22, that is interjections, and as I told you yesterday that this is your last chapter, right? This is your last chapter for half yearly exam from your grammar book, right? And if you remember students, we have already studied the definition and examples of interjection. What are interjections? Words that express some sudden strong emotions are called interjections. Interjections are followed by an exclamation mark, right? So you need to remember what are interjections. Words which are used to express sudden strong emotion or feelings are called interjection, right? हमारे emotions या हमारी feelings को express करने के लिए जो words use किए जाते हैं those are called interjection, and we place an exclamation mark after that. ठीक है, exclamation mark लगाया जाता है उसके बाद, ठीक है. इंटरजेक्शन के बाद क्या लगाया जाता है? इंटरजेक्शन का जो वर्ड होता है उसके बाद हम क्या लगाते हैं? वी पुट एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क, राइट. हमने ये एग्जाम्पल्स देखे थे उसके. देर आर सम इंटरजेक्शंस जैसे कि अलास, ओ, हेलो, yippee, wow and right. So these were some of the interjections which are just one word and it can also consist of more than one word. जैसे यहाँ पे है oh no, well done, my god, good lord, ah me. Okay, so these are some of the interjections which are consisting of more than one word, right? And we also did exercise A and I gave you exercise B as homework. So we are going to check that exercise B right now. Okay students, and let's write B. मैंने आपको बोला था homework के अंदर, तो हम दोनों exercises अभी check कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? Okay, then let's see exercise B. Here we need to match interjections in column A with the appropriate sentences in column B. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, let's see the first one, that is hey. Here, what could go along with it? Well, the appropriate sentence which would go along with it is B1. Hey, do you have my pen? What we can write over here? Hey, do you have my pen? Right? Then second one, wow. What can we write with it? What do you think students? Here we can write wow. It is a wonderful gift. तो wow के साथ हम लिख सकते हैं D वाला option, that is it is a wonderful gift. Third one, what? Right, that's a kind of shock or surprise, है ना. तो अब कौन से चीज़ से शॉक हो सकते हो? Here we can go with E, that is thief has stolen your bag. What can we say over here? What? A thief has stolen your bag. We can say like that, right? What? A thief has stolen your bag. ठीक है, and then question mark. Then fourth one, hooray. Now when do we use this word? When do we use this interjection? We use hooray for excitement, right? So here we can go along with C, है ना. Hooray, our team has won again. That is an excitement, right? Hooray, our team has won again. Next one is ouch. When do you say ouch? When you hurt, right? When you are hurt. So here the best sentence to go along is F. Ouch, the injection hurt me. Ouch, the injection hurt me. And then the sixth one, my god. Here it is used for something sad. ठीक है, हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? When we talk about something sad or when we hear something bad, right? So it would go along with A. My god, this is a terrible news, right? We can say that this is terrible news. Okay students, I hope कि आपके आंसर्स राइट है, और अगर नहीं है तो प्लीज़ रेक्टिफाई कर लेना, ठीक है? आई विल जस्ट राइट ओवर हियर कि किसके साथ क्या आएगा. 1 के साथ आएगा बी, 2 के साथ आएगा डी, 3 के साथ what will come with 3? E. Then 4th one is hooray. Along with that we can write C. With 5th we are going to write F, and for 6th one A. Okay students, so if you have made a mistake then please rectify it, and if you have done all right then a good job. Okay, now let's see the next one, that is let us write. We need to complete the sentence with appropriate interjection. They have given 2 interjections in the bracket. We have to use the one which is suitable, है ना? जो suitable है वो वाला हमें लिखना है. So for that we need to see the whole sentence. We need to read the sentence, and according to the sentence we have to place the interjection. Okay? Dash, I spilt water on the floor. I spilt water on the floor. That means मेरे से पानी गिर गया फ्लोर पे. What would you say? Would you say oh or bravo? Well, here we are going to say oh, है ना? क्या लिखेंगे हम? Oh लिखेंगे. It was a mistake, right? How can you say bravo? That is for encouragement. Dash, we won the match. Dash, we won the match. So here what are we going to write? We are going to write hooray. Hooray, we won the match. It's HURRAH. Okay. Then third one, dash, I found my pen. What will you use over here students? What do you think? Would it be ah or alas? Well, here we can say, yes, we can say ah over here, right? Ah, I found my pen. There it was. ऐसा वाला है ना? Dash, my stomach hurts. Now when it hurts, what do we use? We use ouch, है ना? OUCH. Ouch, my stomach hurts. ठीक है? The next one, where are you going? Now what will you write over here? Hello or oh? Well, we will write hello over here, right? Hello, where are you going? है ना? वैसे. Now next one, dash, keep quiet. Now when you say somebody keep quiet, what do you write over there? Yes, we are going to write shh, HUSH. Shh. ठीक है? And make sure you are not putting the exclamation mark, because the exclamation mark is already given. I am writing the answer, that's why I am writing the exclamation. लेकिन आपकी बुक में ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, तो आप मत लिखना, दोबारा मत लिखना, ठीक है? Dash, that is a great win. That is a great win. Here we can write bravo for encouragement, right? And last one, dash, it is a beautiful picture. Now something beautiful. So what will you say? Will you say hi or will you say wow? Yes, we are going to say wow, right? What are we going to say? Wow. Wow, it is a beautiful picture. Okay students? So I hope कि आपको ये एक्सरसाइज अच्छे से समझ में आ गई है दोनों, ठीक है ना? दोनों एक्सरसाइजेस क्लियर हो गई है. B and also let us write, and we had already completed exercise A in the previous class. Okay? Okay, so students, here we have some more sentences, right, which are related to interjection. So we are going to solve this exercise, and we have to use the words given at the top, right? Hello, wow, shh, look out, oh, hooray, alas, eek. Okay, so let's see the first one. Dash, I am Karina. Here what are we going to say? Here we are just introducing, right? So we are going to write hello, right? Hello, I am Karina. Second one, dash, stop making noises. Here what can we write, students? Here we can write shh, है ना, बिकॉज हम किसी को शांत कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए हम क्या लिखेंगे, shh. Let's see the third one. Dash, you will fall in the pit. You will fall in the pit. That means एक गड्ढा है वहाँ पे, अगर नहीं देखोगे तो गिर जाओगे, right? So the word we can use over here is look out. Okay, so for third one we are going to write look out. Okay, look out, you will fall in the pit. Okay, let's see the next one. The shop is on the fire. The shop is on the fire. What are we going to write here, students? What do you think? We can write oh, right? What can we write over here? Oh. The shop is on the fire. Then what a fun they had. What a fun they had. Here what can we write, students? What do you think? Here we can write wow. Okay, wow, what a fun they had, right? Next one, dash, the little baby is sleeping. Now when the baby is sleeping, what can we say? Well, we can say shh, right? What can we say over here? We can say shh, the baby is sleeping. The next one, dash, what a presentation. Right, here again we can use wow, students. Wow, we are appreciating something, right? So we can write wow, what a presentation. Then eighth one, dash, a lizard. How do you feel when you see a lizard, students? Eek, है ना? So we can write E-E-K, right? It's kind of ew, eek, right? When you don't like when you see something, right? Then we can say that, eek, a lizard. Dash, we won the game. Right, here we can show our excitement by using the word hooray. Anna, hooray, we won the match. Next one, 10th one. Dash, he lost the match. Now here we can express our sadness by using the word alas. Okay, alas, he lost the match. Okay, next one, dash, what are you doing here? What can we use over here, students? Here we can use hello, right? Hello, what are you doing here? Then 12th one, dash, I hear someone coming. I hear someone coming. That means you are trying to listen the footsteps of somebody, right? So what would you ask others? To speak, to stop speaking or to keep quiet. So we can write over here, hush, shh, I hear someone coming. And last one, dash, a huge spider. Now how do you feel when you see a spider, right? We can say eek, a huge spider. Okay, so this is an extra exercise, students. You do not have to write in the notebook. It is just for practice. ठीक है, it is just for practice. ये आपको आपकी notebook में नहीं लिखनी है, ठीक है? It is just for practice. No need to write it down in your notebook. Okay, so students, here there are some more sentences. We are going to have a look at that also, and both the exercises are just for practice, so please do not write it down in your notebook. Okay, so let's see the second exercise. Here also we have to fill in the blanks with the suitable interjection after going through the sentence. उसमें आप इसमें जो words दिए गए हैं, right, the interjections which are given on the top, you can use those interjections and fill in the blanks. Okay, let's see the first one. Dash, you look great. Here what can we write? Wow, ouch, oops, hooray, alas, oh, and bravo. What will you use, students? Here we can use wow, right? Wow, you look great. Second one, dash, that hurts me. What do you say, students, when it hurts you? We can say ouch, है ना? तो हमारा आंसर नंबर 2 क्या होगा? ouch. ठीक है? Third one, dash, I didn't see those cups there. I didn't see those cups there. Here what can we write, students? We can say oops, right? When do we say this word? When we make a mistake, right? At that time we can say this words, right? If you have done something wrong unintentionally, or you hit something, right, by mistake, then you can say oops, I'm so sorry, right? Something of that kind. Fourth one, dash, my grandfather has come. Now here, students, what you can write? Well, we can write over here hooray, ठीक है? Because it shows excitement, है ना? ये क्या दिखाता है? Excitement दिखाता है. Then next one, dash, what a shot. Here we can say wow, right? Because we are appreciating something, so we can say wow. Okay? Then sixth one, dash, we have won the match. Dash, we have won the match. So here again we can show our excitement by the word hooray, है ना? Hooray, we won the match. Seventh one, dash, he is dead. Dash, he is dead. Here we can say alas, है ना? alas जो word है वो हम sadness या despair दिखाने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, तो हम यहाँ पे alas यूज़ करेंगे. He is dead. Eighth one, that is a pleasant surprise. Here we can write oh, that's a pleasant surprise. Okay. Then ninth one, dash, what a beautiful dress. Dash, what a beautiful dress. Here again we are appreciating the dress, so we can use the interjection wow, है ना? Wow, what a beautiful dress. Dash, I have got a toothache. Dash, I have got a toothache. Here, students, what you can write? Here we can write over here oh, ठीक है? हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं oh, I have got a toothache. ठीक है? अगर ऐसा लिखा होता my tooth hurts, है ना? ऐसा लिखा होता my tooth hurts, तो वहाँ पे हम ouch लिख सकते थे. ठीक है? यहाँ पे हम ouch नहीं लिख सकते हैं. We cannot write ouch over here. Okay? 11th, dash, he is no more. No more का मतलब क्या होता है? कि that person is not alive. ठीक है? He is no more. So here we can write alas. ठीक है? Alas, he is no more. We are showing our sadness or despair. ठीक है? 12th one, dash, you win the race. Dash, you win the race. Here we can write bravo. Right? We can write bravo over here. Bravo, you win the race. Right? Last one, I lost my keys again. Here, what can you write, students? Well, here you can write oh, I lost my keys again. Okay, students? So I hope कि आपको ये दोनों exercises clear हो गई है, right? Both the exercises are clear and you are not writing any of the exercise in your notebook. आपको सिर्फ आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक की जो 3 exercises है A, B and C, only that has to be completed. This is just for practice. ठीक है? और SEA जैसे मैंने आपको explain किया हुआ था, you have to submit it in the school, okay, on 28. And if you have any query, you can message me on my WhatsApp number between 5 to 7. Okay? Thank you, students.